What if I told you that most businesses aren't losing clients because of bad marketing? They're losing them in the gap between the first contact and the first response. You run an ad, someone calls, you miss it, they don't leave a voicemail, they just move on. Or someone visits your website at 11 p.m., has a question, and all they get is a contact form that says, "We'll be in touch." And you wonder why your leads aren't converting. That's not a traffic problem, that's a systems problem. I'm Dr. Vivian Atud, economist, business strategist, and CEO of the Global Transformation Forum. I work with businesses and agencies who are done leaving money on the table. And today I'm going to show you the exact system that changes everything from day one. Let me describe your week right now. You've got a missed call from a number you don't recognize, a Facebook message you saw 3 days ago but forgot to answer, a DM on Instagram from someone asking about pricing, an email from a lead who followed up twice, and you're only now seeing the first one. All of these are real people, real buying intent, real revenue. And they all slipped through the cracks because your system wasn't ready. Here's the hard truth: the businesses winning right now aren't the ones with bigger ad budgets, they're the ones who respond fastest. Research shows that the odds of converting a lead drop by over 80% after just 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And most businesses don't respond for hours, sometimes days. If that's you, this video is for you. I want to introduce you to something called the Go High Level Lead Gen Playbook Launchpad. This is the same system that top marketing agencies use to retain clients, automate lead conversion, and run a business. And I'm not just recommending it. I use it, I've tested it, and I've seen what it does on day one. Missed call, text back. Someone calls, you miss it. Within seconds, they get a text saying you'll be right with them. Website chat to SMS. A visitor hits your site and opens the chat widget. Instead of getting stuck in a browser window, the conversation moves to their phone. Google Business Messages. When someone messages your Google Business profile, it lands directly in one unified inbox. Universal inbox, SMS, email, calls, Facebook, Instagram, Google, all of it in one place, one app, one view. Mobile CRM, you're not chained to a desktop. Follow up, close deals, and manage your pipeline from anywhere using the high level mobile app. This isn't theory, this is automation infrastructure, already built, already tested, that you activate and run. As an economist, I think in systems, and I want to break down why this works so well. Most businesses treat lead generation like a funnel, top to bottom, linear, sequential. But leads don't behave linearly. They have a window of attention, a peak moment of interest. If you miss that window, the lead doesn't wait. They rotate to whoever responds first. This system closes the gap between intent and response. That's the real unlock. You're not adding more marketing spend. You're not rebuilding your offer. You're not waiting for a new funnel to warm up. You are simply making sure that every person who shows up gets an instant response, an instant, intelligent response that begins a real conversation. The result? More closes, faster revenue, higher client retention, less chaos. And for agencies, this is your retention secret weapon. Clients stay because they see results immediately. I'll be honest with you, I didn't grow up with access to business systems. I was the first in my family to go to university. I built my career across multiple countries, advising governments, working with the African Union, writing books, launching businesses. So when I find a tool that genuinely levels the playing field, that gives a first generation entrepreneur the same infrastructure as a major agency, I share it because I believe access to the right systems is part of how we rise. You deserve a system that works as hard as you do, even when you're sleeping. Here's what I want you to do right now. Click the link in the description. Go High Level has a free trial. No ads required, no funnel setup, no waiting weeks for results. You can explore the Launchpad system yourself. See the missed call, text back in action. Activate the universal inbox. Feel what it's like to have everything in one place. The link is in the description. It's free to try. And if you want my help setting this up properly, not just activating it, but configuring it for your specific business or agency, drop the word launchpad in the comments below. I will personally follow up because this system is too powerful to set up wrong. Imagine waking up tomorrow and checking your phone, not to a stack of missed messages, but to conversations already in progress, follow ups already sent, leads already warmed. That's what this system does. It doesn't just automate tasks, it changes the rhythm of your business. You built something worth showing up for. Make sure your systems show up too. I'm Dr. Vivian Atud, and this is how we transform. Link in the description. Comment Launchpad below, like this video if it opened your eyes. And subscribe because we are just getting started.